Hey guys, welcome to my Natural Academia, and today I'll be showing you guys how I do my aloe vera treatment. So I just have my hair in 8 big twists, and I'm just going to be applying the aloe vera to my hair. I use pretty much a whole leaf of the aloe vera, and this is how much aloe vera that I managed to get. I tried to straighten it this time, but honestly, I really don't even care. I honestly really don't even care if I get flicks on my hair this time, because... So it's been about a month since I last washed my hair, and prior to this video I did do a twist out, which is why my hair is so curly at this point. So in this video I'm going to be a bit more focused on how exactly I finger detangle, because I get a lot of those questions. But just in case you guys wanted to know how I made my aloe vera, it was pretty basic. I just got the leaf, I cut it up, I blended it, and I strained it this time with a fine strainer. So after applying a good amount of aloe vera onto my hair, I used my fingers to gently distribute the aloe vera all throughout my hair. After distributing, I proceeded to gently rake my fingers through the ends of my hair. Now as you can see, when I'm finger detangling my hair, I start with the tip and then I work my way up to the roots. I'm extremely gentle with my hair when I'm finger detangling. I've been doing this for about 4 years now, and I think I've mastered the science of finger detangling, well, for my hair at least. All it takes is patience and repetition, and you'll definitely get the hang of it. I think the aloe vera treatments are very hydrating and beneficial to my hair a lot. Makes my hair feel really soft and curly. Realistically, I spent about 5 to 7 minutes detangling each section of my hair, and right now I have a total of 8 different sections of my hair. Now there's some parts of my hair that tend to get more dry than the rest of my head, and I usually put more aloe vera on those sections than I do other sections, which is why I decided to apply the aloe vera twice to this section of my hair. Now these past couple days, my scalp has been feeling a little itchy, which is why I wanted to do this aloe vera treatment. Because aloe vera is known for promoting hair growth, aloe vera is also known for repairing dead skin cells on the scalp and preventing itching. I also decided to do an onion juice treatment on my scalp and hair, which you'll see towards the end of this video. So right now I'm just going to let you guys enjoy watching me apply and detangle this aloe vera all throughout my hair. I'm going to pop back in when it's time to do the next treatment. As I said before, I decided to do an onion juice treatment on my hair, and the reason that the applicator bottle looks red is because I decided to add some cayenne pepper in there for hair growth purposes. Now, if you're someone struggling with a slow hair growth phase, I would really recommend you trying this onion juice treatment. It's been proven that both cayenne pepper and onion juice helps to increase blood circulation, which then promotes hair growth. Onion juice also carries a high amount of antibacterial properties. This helps to keep the scalp from obtaining any infections, and it also ensures that your hair grows out healthy. If you're interested in how exactly I made this treatment, please let me know down in the comment section, and I'll be glad to make a dedicated video to this because it does take a little bit more time and effort than the aloe vera treatment, but the results are definitely worth it. I would really recommend this treatment if you're somebody that's trying to grow your hair out, or if you're struggling with an itchy scalp that's not directly related to a medical issue. I'd recommend this treatment. I left both of these treatments sitting in my hair for about an hour and a half before washing it out. So that concludes today's video, and as you can tell, this was a very messy, and I don't do this particular treatment often because it's just that messy, but it's really worth it. I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video and watching, and see you guys next time.